How you doing? My name is Vince. Today I'm going to replant a mango tree. I'm confused. No, really, I'm going to replant a mango tree. But let's look at the coconut tree and see what am I going to do with this coconut tree? Why will I use this? Important, the way I plant them. All right, so last time you saw me, I was in front of the coconut tree and I said I was going to replant a mango. And why do I use this? I use this coconut fiber because these pots have, should I separate it? These pots have these large drainage holes here. And so with these large drainage holes, you eventually will lose dirt, depending on how long you have your pot and everything. So what I like to do is I have access to coconuts. I have about four coconut trees here in the front yard. And I just take this coconut fiber, roughly kind of cut it, to throw it into the bottom of this pot. So in the bottom of the pot, there, I have now covered up the holes. By doing that, you're going to stop stop dirt loss. Let me tell you the other really cool thing is not only do you stop dirt loss, but when you need to transfer or take this out of the pot, the coconut fibers at the bottom makes this thing, oh, I had two pots here, makes this just slide out. Just makes it slide out beautifully and makes it nice and convenient. Need some more dirt. This is my, so, but that's why I put the coconut fiber in there. Prevent dirt loss, slides out. The roots will grow right through it. When you plant it, you don't have to worry about taking it off. I don't know if any other benefit. Never studied it that in depth, but I can tell you those are the things I like about it. And then I water this in, give it a little tap. Looks like I need just a touch more dirt. Let me tell you about the dirt too. I use like a cactus soil or a very high well draining mixture. Uh, Mango roots, they don't like to stay super damp and wet for long periods of time. While the rain helps them grow, and it's awesome, they don't want to stay super wet. So you can use like a cactus mix from Home Depot. It's super expensive though. I think they're like almost $15 for a bag, and a bag would barely fill up one of these 7-gallon pots. I personally, I just go to the landscaping store and I buy a yard at a time. I can buy a yard of dirt for, I think it's like $35. If I go on Wednesday, I get a veterans discount. But anyway, that's it. So the coconut fiber is there, holds the dirt in place. I don't know if you're picking it up. And this seedling's good to go. And now I freed up these little cups. I just planted some jackfruit seeds. Best jackfruit I've ever had. So the jackfruit seeds will be start going in here while I get those started. So, hey, thanks for watching.